Hey guys, Ken Perriman here, and I'm back again with another pretty cool product. But I want you to think about this. Imagine having complete control over your camera without even touching it. That's the power of the Adeline ZC4, this guy right here. So this remote, you can start and stop recordings, tweak your display, nail your shutter speed and white balance, all remotely. Plus, get granular control with 5 levels of manual focus, 3 levels for both iris and zoom, and ND filter adjustments for perfect exposure every time. Got an electronic ND filter? This remote has it, and it has a dedicated knob just for you, simplifying those challenging lighting situations. Managing multiple cameras on a shoot can be a real headache, but what if you could control them all from one place? This system lets you control up to 3 cameras simultaneously, making multi-camera shoots a breeze. Now, whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or shooting a wedding, this simplifies your workflow and gives you professional results. And for complex setups, you can link 2 controllers together. Plus, it even integrates with Sony's MCX 500 switcher for seamless transitions. Imagine controlling your lens from across the room, or even further. This controller boasts an impressive wireless range of up to about 164 feet. That's serious freedom for those shots where you need to be mobile. And for closer control, you can switch to a wired connection with cable lengths ranging from just over 3 feet to almost 33 feet. So whether you're using a professional cinema camera like the FX9 or a more compact camcorder like the NX80, this controller is likely compatible. It supports the common Lanc/remote 2.5mm connection, you know what I'm talking about, and it works with a broad range of Sony models, including the FX6, the AX700, and many, many others. And for the best experience, keep your camera's firmware current. Some features may differ between the models, so consult the manual for your complete information to get it right, you know. So this thing, lightweight and compact, the ZC4 is your reliable companion for on-the-go video shoots. This remote is all about control. You get 6 assignable buttons, meaning you can customize it to fit your exact workflow. Plus, you can adjust the speed of the focus and the aperture knob for precise adjustments. Now, powering up is also flexible. You can use 2 AAA batteries, connect it directly to your camcorder, or even use an external USB Type-C power source. Everything you need is in the box. You got the remote, the receiver, a mounting plate, USB-C cable, 2 different lengths of remote cables, a soft carrying case bag, and of course, the manual itself. So I can't wait until I get this on my camcorder so that I can use all these great features myself. But until then, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.